What's up, viewers? Hey everybody, I am back with another video, and I told you guys in my last video that I was going to make a separate video of me trying on all my hats and such with my new hair. And the reason why I am not in frame right now is because I wanted it to be a surprise. I'm right here. So 3, 2, 1. This is my hair fully crimped, as you can see. It's fully crimped, except for the top. Of course, I'm not going to get that close to my head. I'm going to turn around and show. So, yeah, this is how my hair looks. Crimped from head to the bottom of my hair. So, I'm going to get my first couple of hats, and I'm going to put them on. So, here we go. So guys, my first hat is my very first snapback hat. It says Lil Garza, on the side, snapback, and I usually wear them like this. So that's how I look in that. And then forwards, hair so poofy. So yeah, that's how I look in my yellow snapback. This is my newest snapback. It is a blue one, and it also says Lil Garza. We couldn't find it in this color, the stitching. They didn't have it at Lids where I got it in the mall, so we had to use white, but still looks awesome. That's how it looks. And then, yeah, so those are my first two hats. Those are the only snapbacks I currently have. I'm planning on getting an orange one and a red one next. So, I'll be right back, guys, with the next hats. Okay, guys, the next item is I'm home to the Grady Wildcats. Grady Wildcats. That's my school, the Grady Wildcats. So, this is a beanie my brother got me. So, there's two ways I like to wear these. One where it's kind of like this, and it's not covering, and it's kind of covering most of my hair on top like this. And then also like this. It's kind of hard to wear it with this, but it's really cute. I don't have the beanie on correctly, but like that with the little top bit. So that's my Grady Wildcat beanie. Next, I have this really cute hat that I got for the school year because it was winter and we went winter clothes shopping. So yeah, this goes in the back, this little slit. That's usually how I wear it, with my bangs tucked in. I think I look pretty snazzy in it. And if I want my bangs out, this is how it looks. Like this. So yeah, it has three little balls, really cute. And then there's this little hat I got when I was like 9, and it still fits me. My head has like not grown at all, and so I don't really wear this in public, but I thought might as well show y'all guys. So I mean, it's really cute and all, but it's just not my style. I don't wear hats like this, you know what I mean? But yeah, that's how it looks. And then snapback style. Ooh, actually, I think I could pull that off. Anyways, next we have one of my all-time favorite beanie, basically, the Famous beanie. I got this in Mansfield. If you don't know where that is, look it up, because it's an awesome place where my dad goes to tournaments to play softball, and we always go with him most of the time. So like this. Famous, baby. Ooh. And then we have this flower crown. Cute. And then we have this flower crown which is pretty skinny, but it's really cute, matches my hair. So, guys, I will see y'all later. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Have a wonderful and awesome day. I love y'all so much. Thank you for watching. Bye.